All right, it's week 3. So, what's happened this past week? Last time I spoke to you, I was talking about hitting that 245 milestone. Well, good news, I hit it and I've surpassed it. I, as of this morning, am 242 pounds, which is lighter than I have been for my entire adult life. When I was in my peak physical condition, I was 245 pounds, albeit it was a lot more muscle mass then than I have now. I was working out a lot back then. That was back when I was 17 or 18 years old. And now, in just a month or so, I'll be 24. I'm still not in the best shape I've ever been in, but I am lighter than I've ever been before. And I'm aiming to be in the best shape I've ever been in. I want to stay in that good shape. So that's the biggest news is I've hit and passed my first milestone. My next milestone will be 220. I think that is a solid milestone, is 220. And I hope to hit it by my birthday. My birthday is in the middle of March. So what else? This week I have been super constipated. I don't think I've really had a real bowel movement this week at all. I've sat down a couple of times. I've been very frustrated that nothing's moving. Because of that, I feel very bloated. I feel like I would weigh even less if I could, get rid of some stuff. It is what it is. It's part of the diet, I suppose. I'm figuring out how to take care of this situation naturally. I've been drinking a ton of water, so I know it's not a hydration issue. Trying out different probiotics, homeopathic and organic, natural remedies, and that's what I'm all about. What else has happened this week? I learned that I don't need to spend as much money as I've been spending on groceries. Having that kind of groceries, doing that kind of shopping has been great. Except my bank account and my wallet would disagree with me. But the food I was eating was awesome. I loved it. And just learning how to cook like that, I think was worth it. But spending $200 a week on just groceries for just myself is totally impractical. I try my best to be frugal. I am trying to save a lot of money this year to buy property. That's what my whole channel is about, if you didn't know that. Now, I am spending much less. I haven't even been to the grocery store this past week. I don't even think I went the week before. I was just using scraps of what I had from the previous trip to the grocery store. And then I also discovered that cooking every day, I can do it. I can cook breakfast, because breakfast takes 5 minutes. Just scramble a couple of eggs, wilt some spinach, that's a good breakfast right there. But we've been having the kitchen renovated for this past week, and so it's been torn apart. It's totally unusable. I've been cooking outside, which is fun when the weather cooperates, but it's been rainy. It snowed once, I think. Today it's super cold, and it rained last night, so everything outside's wet, and I just did not want to cook outside. Luckily, throughout the process of the renovation downstairs in the kitchen, it's at a place where I can finally put the stove back where it goes and plug it in and use it. I don't have any countertops, but I do have a fold-out table in the middle of my kitchen. So I was able to scramble a couple of eggs this morning. I've learned that when I don't have time in the morning to cook, or I just can't cook because of my current situation with the renovation, there are places I can go to eat out where it fits in with my diet. Maybe not the most natural way, maybe not the best and most organic way, but it's still better than going to McDonald's or Burger King. That stuff's poison. And I know that you can go to Burger King, get a Whopper, take the bun off, and technically that's ketogenic burger. I'm not doing that. I'm doing this to lose weight. I'm doing this for my health. Why would I eat poison for my health? I'm not doing that. I've been going to Wawa, which is a gas station, if you don't know. I think we only have them on the East Coast, and maybe not even the whole East Coast. Wawa, it's a gas station, but on the inside, it's kind of like a convenience store too. Kind of like 7-Eleven, except it's got better quality stuff, near same prices and everything, but they also have a sandwich store, basically, inside, everything made to order. And so it's pretty good food. It's decent. It's not the best, but it's all right. It's better than Subway. I'll say that flat out. I don't like Subway. It has no flavor. It's overpriced. Anyway, so Wawa, they have these hoagie bowls, which is basically just everything you put on a hoagie, but without the bread. It's in a bowl. Turkey, cheese, onions, tomato, cucumber, sometimes I put pickle, lots of spinach, salt and pepper, oil and vinegar. And that's basically my breakfast and lunch. And I used to be able to crush 3 of these bowls all at once. Since I started this diet, 1 bowl is too much for me. I eat half of it for breakfast, the other half for lunch. again with more water. And then for dinner, I've been eating this little cup about that big. Comes with cheese cubes in it. I think it's like Monterey Jack. No, it's like Colby or something in there. It's got a ton of pepperoni. Just slices of pepperoni in there. And again, crushing the water the whole day. And that's what I do for the 3 days that I have my day shift. So that's what I've been kind of dealing with. And it's been working. I don't feel like it's the best food, but it's working for 3 days a week. What else has been going on this week? Oh, obviously, I've been working out. I've been doing push-ups, I've been doing sit-ups, crunches, leg lifts, abdominal workout, trying to strengthen my back, and the best way to do that is to strengthen your core. Oh, and obviously backpacking. I want to do a lot more mileage in the woods this year. That's one of my goals, is to do more hiking. Well, I can't think of anything else. I guess that's all I got for you this week. So this has been 3 weeks on the ketogenic diet. I'm loving it. I think it's going great. This is a very effective diet, at least for myself. That's all I can really say. I guess this video's dragged on long enough, so God bless.
Help! Should be toward us.